Hello and welcome to our channel, where we share with you the most amazing and innovative shipping container homes you can order right now. Shipping container homes are a great way to live in a sustainable, eco-friendly, and affordable way. They are also very versatile, as you can customize them to your liking and needs. In this video, we will show you 5 shipping container homes that are available for sale online, and tell you why they are worth checking out. Let's get started. The first shipping container home we want to show you is the Hona mobo HO4 Plus. This is a stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that is made from 4 40-foot shipping containers. It has a spacious living area, a full kitchen, and a large sliding glass door that opens to a deck. The Hona mobo HO4 Plus is designed to be energy efficient with solar panels, LED lighting, and high-performance windows. It also comes with a 10-year warranty and can be delivered anywhere in North America. The price of this home is $179,728, which is very reasonable for such a high quality and modern home. The next shipping container home we want to share with you is the Cargo Texture C192 Nomad. This is a cozy 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that is made from a single 24-foot shipping container. It has a compact but functional layout with a kitchenette, a living area, and a fold-out bed. The Cargo Texture C192 Nomad is ideal for those who want to live simply and minimally, or for those who need a guest house or a backyard office. It is also very eco-friendly, as it uses recycled materials, low-voc paints, and energy-efficient appliances. The price of this home is $39,500, which is very affordable for anyone who wants to own their own home. The third shipping container home we want to show you is the Custom Container Living 40-foot Lake Cabin. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that is made from 2 20-foot shipping containers. It has a rustic charm with wood siding, metal roofing, and a porch. The Custom Container Living 40-foot Lake Cabin has a comfortable living area, a full kitchen, and a washer and dryer combo. It also has plenty of windows to let in natural light and views of the surroundings. The price of this home is $73,400, which is very reasonable for such a spacious and cozy home. The fourth shipping container home we want to show you is the Backcountry Containers Custom Container Home. This is an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that is made from 6 20-foot shipping containers. It has a sleek and modern design, with corrugated metal siding, large windows, and a rooftop deck. The Backcountry Containers Custom Container Home has a luxurious living area, a gourmet kitchen, and a master suite with a walk-in closet and a spa-like bathroom. It also has smart features, such as Nest thermostats, Ring doorbells, and Alexa devices. The price of this home is $150,000, which is very fair for such a sophisticated and high-tech home. The fifth and final shipping container home we want to show you is the Rhino Cube Zulu Queen. This is an artistic 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that is made from a single 20-foot shipping container. It has a unique and colorful exterior with hand-painted murals by local artists. The Rhino Cubed Zulu Queen has a creative interior with reclaimed wood flooring, custom cabinets, and mosaic tiles. It also has solar power, a composting toilet, and a rainwater harvesting system. The price of this home is $60,000, which is very reasonable for such a one-of-a-kind and eco-friendly home. The product link for the shipping container homes we mentioned, here they are. The Hona mobo HO4 Plus is a stunning 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that is made from 4 40-foot shipping containers. You can find more information and order it from Hona mobo's website. The Cargo Texture C192 Nomad is a cozy 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that is made from a single 24-foot shipping container. You can find more information and order it from Cargo Texture's website. The Custom Container Living 40-foot Lake Cabin is a beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that is made from 2 20-foot shipping containers. You can find more information and order it from Custom Container Living's website. The Backcountry Containers Custom Container Home is an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home that is made from 6 20-foot shipping containers. You can find more information and order it from Backcountry Containers website. The Rhino Cube Zulu Queen is an artistic one-bedroom, one-bathroom home that is made from a single 20-foot shipping container. You can find more information and order it from Rhino Cube's website. There are some financing options available for shipping container homes. According to the web search results, some of the best possible options are traditional mortgages. These are loans that are secured by the property and have fixed or variable interest rates and repayment terms. However, not all mortgage lenders are willing to finance shipping container homes, as they may consider them non-traditional or risky. You may need to have a good credit score, a large down payment, and a detailed construction plan to qualify for a traditional mortgage. Construction loans. These are short-term loans that are used to finance the building of a home. They typically have higher interest rates and fees than traditional mortgages and require regular inspections and approvals from the lender. Once the construction is completed, you can either pay off the loan or convert it to a permanent mortgage. Personal loans. These are unsecured loans that are based on your income, credit history, and debt-to-income ratio. They usually have higher interest rates and shorter repayment terms than mortgages, but they are easier to obtain and more flexible. You can use a personal loan to finance any part of your shipping container home project, such as buying the containers, hiring contractors, or furnishing the interior. Home equity loans and lines of credit. These are loans that are secured by the equity you have in your existing home. They allow you to borrow a lump sum or a revolving amount of money at a lower interest rate than personal loans. However, you need to have enough equity in your home, which means that your home value must be higher than your mortgage balance. You also risk losing your home if you fail to repay the loan. Government-backed loans and programs. These are loans that are guaranteed or subsidized by the government, such as the Federal Housing Authority, also known as the FHA loans, or the Department of Agriculture, or USDA loans. They typically have lower interest rates and down payment requirements than conventional loans, but they have stricter eligibility criteria and regulations. For example, you may need to meet certain income limits, property standards, or environmental requirements to qualify for these loans. And that's it, folks. That's how we built a shipping container tiny house from scratch. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We'd love to hear from you and see what you think of this. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to check out our channel and subscribe. We have a lot of other cool and innovative shipping container homes to show you. You don't want to miss them. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.